most memorable beef story I have is learning to barbecue steak, to grill steak from my dad. He would get a nice big steak and he would grill it and then it would be sliced. My dad had this 3-legged round grill and it started to rust out. And then he put layers of aluminum foil in there thinking that it would hold itself. Put the charcoal in there and got it started, and that foil gave way and all the coals ended up on the ground. I learned a few new swear words and off he went to the woodshed and came back with a wheelbarrow. Then he realized he didn't have a grate that would fit on that grill. So he went in and emptied out the shelf in the fridge and put it over the wheelbarrow. And so for the next, I don't know, however many years, I grew up learning how to cook on a wheelbarrow filled with charcoal. The steak that's this thick is best to be shared so that everybody gets a smile on their face. Man, oh man, unforgettable memories and unforgettable beef. It'd be tasty.